ActiveCapture from Active Silicon is a GennyCam software application for image acquisition, analysis and display. ActiveCapture supports FireBird frame grabbers in combination with co-express or camera link cameras. Get a live image in only 3 clicks, live zoom and drag functions, and control of the camera and frame grabber features in the GennyCam feature browser. To start the program, click the icon and ActiveCapture instantly detects installed cameras and frame grabbers. Click to connect to the camera and start the live acquisition. Use the Fit to Window function to get a full view of the camera image. Adjust your view with the help of the Zoom In and Zoom Out function. You can also drag the image to be able to focus on the area of interest. In ActiveCapture, it is very easy to change the camera settings. In the feature browser, click on Camera. In this video, we will change the exposure time of the camera from 10,000 to 5,000 microseconds. To change frame grabber settings, click on Frame Grabber in the feature browser and stop the live acquisition. In this video, we will change the data rate from Auto to CXP6x4. When finished, start the live acquisition again. In the following part of the video, we will present the live histogram function, color histogram analysis, and how to select an area of interest. Start the live acquisition. Click the Enable Histogram button to open the histogram. In the histogram window, control the area of interest and see the statistics of the color values in the image. Select and deselect color components. In ActiveCapture, you are also able to record a video sequence, play it back, and analyze the video sequence. To start sequence recording, stop the live acquisition. Enter the number of frames you want to capture. Start the recording by clicking the Single Sequence Acquisition button. A counter at the bottom of the image window shows the frames recorded. When the recording stops, an additional window appears for playing back the recorded sequence. Adjust this window with the Fit to Window and the Zoom function. When the playback window is active, a slider and control is visible as well. Press the Play button to play the sequence. To analyze your sequence, open, for example, the 1D profile function. Stop playback anytime and use the slider to search the sequence. Control the area of interest by defining a line start. Use the single step forward or single step backwards buttons to scan frame by frame. Find more information on ActiveCapture on our website at www.activesilicon.com.